Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Lisa sketch. First, let's prepare our drawing tools. You will need a pencil, an eraser, and some paper. A fine-tip pen can also be useful for outlining. We'll begin by establishing the head shape, then move to the facial guidelines. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different strokes and pressures. Now, let's focus on Lisa's head and facial features. Begin with a large, slightly flattened oval for her head, taking up about 2/3 of your paper's height. Draw a horizontal line for the eyes and a vertical line for the center of her face. Her eyes are quite large and round, positioned high on her face. The nose is small, almost a tiny dot, placed just above the mouth line. Next, we'll tackle Lisa's distinctive hair and body. Her hair is a series of sharp, triangular spikes that frame her face, often numbering around 8 to 10 points. Start from the top of her head and work your way down. Her body is a simple, rectangular shape, much narrower than her head. Connect her head to her body with a very short, thick neck, ensuring it looks sturdy. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and refine our Lisa sketch. Draw her signature pearl necklace, typically a string of 8 to 10 small, round pearls. Her dress is very simple, often just a straight line across the bottom. Carefully erase all your initial pencil guidelines. Then, use a darker pen or pencil to go over your final lines, making them crisp and clear. Your Lisa sketch is now complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.